How to send a PDF file through email. If you want to send a PDF file to someone by email, this video will show you how to do it step by step. First, open your preferred web browser and go to your email provider's website, such as Gmail. Next, sign into your email account and click on the Compose button to create a new email. Enter the recipient's email address and add a subject line for your message. You can also type a short message if needed. Now, click on the Attach Files or Paperclip icon. Browse your computer and select the PDF file that you want to send, then click Open to upload it. Wait for the file to finish uploading. Once it's attached to your email, click the Send button. The recipient will receive your email along with the PDF attachment and can download or view it easily. That's how you can send a PDF file through email. If you find this video informative, click on like, share, and subscribe for more videos.